Do not scroll. If you are in search of a new ring light, look, I got you. Watch me unbox my new ring light. Y'all, okay? Man, stay until the end. Stay until the end, okay? This ring light, okay, what comes in the box? You got your panel light, your tripod stand, you got a phone holder, a light controller, a DC adapter, and a Bluetooth remote, okay? Look, y'all know I would not steer you wrong, okay? I got you. It was so easy to set up and everything. This ring light here is all that, okay? I was so proud of myself, as you can see. I'm gonna let y'all continue to watch. Watch this video to the end. Bam, 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 bam. Look at that. Huh? We got the lights on the beat. You got your cords. Your AC adapter. Voila! Bam! Right. You got the you have a remote. So on the back, you have your on and off switch. So I'm off. Oh, baby! Bam! Look at that! Oh, shine a light! Oh, look at that wall, man! Oh, man! Look at the brightness! Oh, bruh! Man! Woo! Honey! Bam! Whoo! Girl! Do you see what I see? Woo! Okay, hold up. Bam! So you got that? Wait, hold up. All I'm gonna say is, you better get you one. Baby, look. Girl, this light, okay? Girl, this little light of mine, I'm gonna let it shine. Ooh, girl. Man, I'm gonna drop the link down below. Y'all already know, but honey, okay, you better run and don't walk. Now, I got the tripod stand because the other one is sold out. But yay, okay, the remote, it got the Bluetooth remote. It comes with this remote. Girl, look. Baby, look. Okay, I could change the lighting. Girl, look. Come with the phones, the attached phone stand or whatever mount on there. Man, you could change the brightness and everything. Girl, baby, look. Child. Yeah, girl, look. This the one for home. Now I feel like I need to switch out the tripod that I have at my shop, at the salon. Ooh, girl, y'all better run and don't walk. Y'all know what I always say, y'all. Run and don't walk. Yay, honey. Yay. Ooh, girl, I think I need to order me another one. Come with the little remote and everything. Girl, control it. And then snap my little pictures and stuff like that. Girl, child, y'all done outdone y'all self. Ooh. Girl, now put it together myself. I'm a whole handyman out here. Jack of all trades. All right, y'all. Bye. The link down below. Go get y'all one. Hey, you better get your one.